Hi everybody, my name is Caitlin Smith and today I'm going to be providing the estimate for the Alpine shop building. So our total cost before contingencies and profit is $1,312,692.82. We add our contingencies and profits. For our contingencies, we take 10% of the total cost. For our profit, we take 20% of our total cost, which brings our grand total to $1,693,373.73. If you want to break it down per square foot, our total cost based on square foot is $173.80, and that's based off of our square footage of the building, which is 9,743.41 square feet. Okay, so next we can show you that we broke down the cost by divisions. So like I mentioned before, that's our total cost and the square foot cost. But if we break it down by division, you can see that our general requirements cost $714,899.91. Division 2, which is our site work, is $15,072. Division 3, our concrete, is going to cost $151,477.20, and so forth. Okay, and then I also went ahead and broke down our cost by construction stages. So obviously first we will have our foundation, which if we break it down, materials, labor, and equipment. For our structural steel cost, that is our materials, labor, and equipment. And for our walls cost, materials, labor, and equipment are all in one price because that is a lump sum that we received from a subcontractor. Next, we have ceiling roof cost breakdown for materials, labor, equipment. MEP cost breakdown, like I mentioned before, that's one of our lump sums that we received from a subcontractor, and same thing for our miscellaneous, our extra. So the next slide will demonstrate how the company broke down the cost for the structural steel for the project in more detail. So first we're going to show, let me move this side. Okay. So first we're going to go ahead and break down all of our structural steel, and I went ahead and did that per location and the type. So we did patios, the roof beam, the columns, crane beam, and all of the steel that is included in all of those, which our material alone is going to come from a manufacturer, but our own labor and equipment from our company is going to actually install. So the material total from the lump sum of the manufacturer is $156,250, and the labor and equipment that we own is going to cost us $7,560 for our equipment, which is just going to be a rough terrain crane, and then for our labor, $61,104, which brings our total for just the structural steel to $226,605.36. So for this process specifically, it combines lump sum along with in-house prices, like I mentioned before. The materials are provided by manufacturer that is supplying all the materials included in one price, and meanwhile the labor and equipment are being provided by our company.